What's up, friends? In this video we're going to deal with practical exercise question number 16, where we are going to write a C++ program that allow or limit user to log in based on login credential. As you know, when you want to log in a system, you need username and password. That's why you are going to make a declaration of two variables, username and password. Username, which is string, username like this, and then also string password like this. Then you have to write the statement that asks user to enter his or her username by using self statement like this. Enter username like this, enter username, right? Then we have to put here end line. Then we have to read his username by using cin statement, username as our variable, right? Yeah, then we can also ask him or her to enter his or her password by using self also statement, enter password like this, then end line, right? And then read this password like this. So after we get here, we can now check whether the entered username and password are corresponding to what he or she supposed to enter. We use if control statement to check this credential. If the username is equal to like Lobaz Jevizo 2020 like this, and the password, we have to check username and password, and pass which is equal to like Lobaz or 123 Lobaz G double only as password. Let's call it this 123 G double, right? Then in this case, user will get message told him or her that the login successful. Out like this, login successful, right? Yeah, then end line here like this. Otherwise, he or she will get message told him that the login failed, right? See out login, or you can just get message says that invalid login like this, invalid login. Yeah, then also end line here like this. So let us make a compression to check whether there is error or not. Yeah, you see there is no error. We can now run our program and check how it will display an output. First, we have to enter username. You know that the valid username is Lobaz Jevizo 2020, right? Like this. Then, and also you know that password is 123 G double in uppercase. Then in this case, login successfully. You see, login is successfully. But let us also show how it will display output when we enter the username or password which is not matched to valid credential, like these letters enter Jevizo, like this 2020. Remember, the valid is the one which is Arobase Jevizo 2020, but now we entered Jevizo 2020 only, and then we have to enter also password. We can now enter the valid password because we already mismatch a username, like 123 GOO. You see, when we enter the place, you see that invalid login. This means that this invalid login, these informations are not matched to a valid credential. So this is a simple program that check whether the user entered the valid or invalid credential to login. So please, for any question, any idea, please don't hesitate yourself. Write your point of view in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.
Thank you.